यहाँ आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं जहाँ पर वफाकी वज़ीर ख़ारजा सागडार की मुअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमान का इस्तकबाल जारी है।
Ahmed Amjad, Additional Secretary, Economic Diplomacy at Foreign Office.
Adnan Rashid, I am Additional Secretary for Foreign Minister's Office.
I'm Joint Secretary for Foreign Minister's Office.
Tariq Bajwa, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister.
Nabil Munir, I'm Special Secretary to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
I'm Sajid Qazi, I'm Additional Secretary at the SIFC.
I'm Imran Siddiqui, I'm Additional Secretary, Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mohammed Hadi, I'm the Project Director of Invest Pakistan at the SIFC.
Qamar Abbasi, I'm Additional Secretary in the Ministry of Finance.
Thank you, Excellency. I hand over the floor to you and then we will continue.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you, Excellency, for your warm welcome and also for taking the time to meet with us today. Because, I have a guidance from directly from our President Prabowo to come and to meet with you and with all the stakeholders here to strengthen the collaboration and cooperation between two countries. Because we strongly believe there are a lot of untapped potential that we can work and explore together. I'm wearing two hats as a Minister of Investment and Downstream Industry, and also at the same time I'm heading the CEO of our Danantara Sovereign Wealth Fund. This way, together with me, I think they will introduce themselves also directly. I have a team, my deputy from the Ministry of Investment, Pak Nurul, but also at the same time, I have my Managing Director from Danantara Sovereign Wealth Fund. And obviously,
I'm Chandra Sukocha, I'm the ambassador in Islamabad. Thank you.
Yeah. And, because if you are, investment is playing a very significant role for Indonesia, because if you look the growth of Indonesia, the economic growth, 53 to 54% come from our domestic consumption, about 29 to 30% come from investment, and then government spending about 7 to 8%, and net exports about 2%. So definitely investment playing a very significant role for our economic growth. Having our sovereign wealth fund, actually just a year ago we established our Danantara Sovereign Wealth Fund in February 2025, and we consolidate all the state-owned enterprise under our sovereign wealth fund. So we end up having about 1,000 companies, 1,044 companies, and we with the total asset close to $1 trillion. And we report directly to the president, and we can use all the dividends that we receive from the SOE to invest and reinvest every year. So we don't depend on the government budget anymore on our sovereign wealth fund. We also we're very open to, I think we discussed it also, to work with your sovereign wealth fund, work with you, Excellency, to in various sector, in especially in agriculture, in palm oil. We are because I have the guideline also directly from the president to work with you and to again to have the collaboration and cooperation with you and with your team. So again, we are very pleased that we are here, and hopefully we can have more fruitful and productive discussion also, Excellency. Thank you.
Excellency, there is a great scope for us to work together. And I must say that
पाकिस्तान और इंडोनेशिया के दरमियान वफूद की सतह के मुज़ाकरात जारी थे। इंडोनेशिया के वज़ीर सरमायाकारी रोज़ान रुस्लानी की दफ्तर ख़ारजा आमद नायब वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद इसहाक डार ने मुअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमानों का इस्तकबाल किया। नायब वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद इसहाक डार का इफ्तिताही तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए कहना था कि मुअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमान को पाकिस्तान में खुश आमदीद कहते हैं। दोनों मुल्कों के दरमियान मुफीद और सैर हासिल गुफ्तगू के लिए पुरउम्मीद मौक़े मौजूद हैं। इंडोनेशिया के साथ मसनूई ज़हानत समेत मुख्तलिफ शोबों में ताउन पर गुफ्तगू की गई। पाकिस्तान में सरमायाकारी के वसी मौक़े मौजूद हैं।